Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade and we're in the scale map. So we're going to do by length. Start. So it's loading. Okay. Your very first exhibit. Exciting, huh? Well, it's supposed to be second because we already did the C one. It does look a little empty. Well, what's your favorite animal? Let's invite them over. From the sprites category, drag set my sprite to sprite kind of player into our stop. Okay.
So we're gonna make a sprite.
Set my sprite. Click the red box in the new block and draw your animal using the image editor. Click next when you're ready for next step. Okay.
So you can draw your own animal to put in the zoo.
So this one, animals. Let's see, what animal we should have? I don't know. A dog, something, a bat, a monkey.
I want monkey.
Monkey, a little monkey. You got chosen to be in this zoo.
Okay, then we're gonna press next.
Take your animal for a walk. From sprites, grab set my sprite velocity to VX50, VY50, and drag it into the end of the start container. Your animal friend should start moving.
So now we're gonna make the monkey move.
Try changing the number next to VX and VY and watch the game screen to see what happens. So let's change this to
8 to 85. Ooh, it's moving this way. Okay. The same-old paths get boring after a while. Let's add some randomness. Go to the math category and grab two pick randoms 0 to 10 value blocks. Use them to replace the numbers next to the VX and VY. Change the numbers inside the random blocks to see different kinds of movement each time you reload. And don't forget to try negative numbers. So, okay, we're gonna pick random. We're gonna need two of them. So, 1, 2, pick random. Let's say 68 to 98. And the V1 will be 56 to 89. Okay, so now let's see the monkey. So now it moves. Let's go that way. Okay. When the animal hits the edge of the enclosure, they stop moving. Let's fix that. Open the sprites category, then grab set my sprite bounce on a wall on to snap it at the end of the program. So the monkey won't just stop at the corner. Okay, so sprites set my sprite to bounce on walls. So bounce on the wall and go all over. Okay, let's see now. Now it's bouncing and keep moving. It really looks, it's kind of plain, I don't know. Okay. First exhibit by land. This exhibit looks awesome. The other kids at the zoo are going to love it. Whoa, what's that sound? An alarm, what's going on? Hold on, we're getting a report from the penguin department. The penguins did what? Ooh, there's an alarm. You better get over there. So we're gonna add big stuff. Okay. I would like to do this. Set my second sprite. Yes, my second sprite to another monkey. Now how about let's do another dog? Bat. Snake. Snake.
And then we need to
do the same thing with these. But
So we need
to
to
change
duplicate
to my sprite
to my sprite 2.
So do the same with the snake.
My sprite 2. Now set these here. There. So it's the same but for my sprite 2. So let's see.
So now the snake and monkey are...
Don't monkey eat... No, snake eat monkey or something. But it looks like they're getting friendly together.
They're all bouncing all over. Okay, one more time.
Okay. Reload. They always go first, like, be together. Bounce, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. The monkey's following the snake. Sort of. It was. Okay. So we better find out what the penguins did. There's this picture. There's a lot of penguins out where they're supposed to be. So let's see what the penguins did in the next video. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.